Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. In this video, I'm introducing my next Kits in the Mail offering, where you receive 2 card making kits per envelope once a month for the next 3 months. So in October, I'm featuring the bookbinder design with these fun polar bears. Now, note that your polar bears and your graphic images will be assorted. They may not be what I show in the sample because it's a full 12 by 12 sheet that I need to cut apart. So adhesives are usually a strip, and I generally only use a few on the card. And then your ribbon is included with that. That's the October one. November is this accordion. So it folds down to fit an envelope. Over in medium envelopes, the basic white or very vanilla. And then here are the pieces in that kit. Again, strips of embellishments, but I only use a few, so I scatter them about the card, or throughout the card. Length of ribbon, usually a little bit more than what you need. And then some basic white to stamp your greeting on. That's for October. December is this faux camera card. So it's basically a treatment on your card front. And this time I decided to put these images on the inside like that. So card making kit for December features the old olive card base, and then everything you need to make the faux camera look. In addition, again, according to some already printed images that you can cut apart and add to your card. So take note, you might get a moose or a reindeer and assorted images because again, it's a 12 by 12 piece that I need to cut down to include the pieces in your kit. Each of the kits are packaged in my cello envelopes, and then you get 2 kits per envelope. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail for all the details and ordering. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.